Hey there everybody, how's it going? Today I just want to talk about how to create bootable Windows 10 media. So this can be a DVD or a flash drive. The flash drive has to be 4 gigabytes or more, and the DVD obviously you're going to require a DVD writer. I do have a DVD writer on the computer I am using today, so I am going to demonstrate that method as well as the flash drive method. So first things first, we're going to need to download the Windows 10. Oh, you can just Google Windows 10 ISO. That works too. That's what I did initially. That's the first one there. The Windows 10 Media Installation Tool, which is something that Microsoft will provide you. Make sure you're getting this from Microsoft.com, not some rando site, unless it's Microsoft.com/, blah 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 blah. If you're on some other website, then you're probably downloading something that isn't going to be great for your computer. This is free, so there's no reason to really go anywhere else for it. So you're just going to want to save the file. So this is going to create the media creation tool file. You're just going to want to run that, and it's going to give you a couple options once it starts up. Now, since we're not upgrading this PC, we're actually doing this from a different machine. We want to create installation media. And typically, I just leave everything as is. Now you can actually create your flash drive directly from this application, or you can create an ISO file. The ISO file can later be burned to a DVD or to a flash drive. So right now, I'm just going to click the flash drive. I'm not going to go all the way through with it because I want to show you both methods, and this takes a little while to do. Okay, so here we see the ESD_ISO. This is just what the E drive is called. This is what the little 8 gig drive here that I already have this installed on is called. So whatever yours is named, you should see it in this list here. Now this is not going to show your C drive. This is not going to show any system drives. This is going to show only external drives. So if you do have multiple external drives plugged in, then make sure you know what they're called so you're not erasing the wrong drive. So we're going to go next. And it's going to go through the process of installing a bootable version of Windows 10 onto this flash drive. This is only specifically for the recovery environment and for installation. So the speed of this process is completely dependent on both your computer and whatever port your flash drive is plugged into and whatever kind of flash drive you're using, so it's pretty subjective. At first, Windows is going to be downloaded, as it says here, so it's going to download the entire Windows 10 ISO. So this is why I actually find it a little more efficient. If you're going to be doing this multiple times, then I find it more efficient just to go the opposite route, where you're going to download the ISO, so you're able to choose to burn it to a DVD, or you're able to choose to create a bootable flash drive off of it. And if you want to go back and do it again and again and again, then you at least have that ISO available to you. And this is also going to be handy if you're creating a virtual machine that has Windows 10 in the future as well. So honestly, the ISO method is kind of what I prefer, but this is the more streamlined way to do this if you're only going to be doing it once. Okay, so for me that took about 19, 20 minutes, something like that. So the flash drive is ready now, so I could just plug this into any system and boot from it and be able to load a clean version of Windows or go into my recovery environment. Our alternate option here is to open that back up. Okay, so we're back at this point. We're going to still choose to create installation media. Same options there. This time we're actually going to go to the ISO file option. Now what this is going to do is, instead of automatically creating our bootable drive, this is just going to create an ISO file of the Windows 10 installation environment. This is going to give us all the same options and all the same features as if we were to just go directly to a flash drive, but it's going to give us the ability to not only have this ISO for other purposes, and we can use it repeatedly if we'd like, it's also going to give us the option to put this on a DVD or a VM. And it's going to do the same download process that it did with the flash drive, but it's just going to download the ISO and then complete the process. Alright, so the ISO download has been completed. I can open a DVD burner and go directly there if I want to, but I do want to use Power ISO for this, so I'm just going to click Finish. It's going to do its cleanup for 0.5 seconds, and I'm going to open up Power ISO. Alright, so there's a couple different things I can do here. I can burn an image file, select the ISO that I just created, select the burn drive, which is going to I guess I don't have a disk in there right now. But if I select the burn drive here and then I could select burn, that would burn me a Windows 10 DVD, which would be bootable. Alternately here, I can go to my tools menu. I can go to create bootable USB drive, and then I can select the ISO, select the same drive that I just wrote to, so I'm not going to rewrite to it, but select whatever drive you want, and then hit start. And this method is nice if you just need the ISO for multiple loads, like if you want to load up 10 different flash drives to distribute them to your IT team or whatever, for whatever reason, or if you want to create a virtual machine, like on here, I actually do have my Hyper-V. I haven't set it up completely yet, but I will be making another video on how to do that. So I need this ISO for Hyper-V as well. So I hope this helped you if you were wondering how to create bootable Windows 10 media. And if I missed anything, just let me know in the comments below, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I do answer any questions that are posed, and I will respond to your comment pretty darn quickly these days. Thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate you popping by and see what I'm up to. If you like what you're seeing here, hit that subscribe button. Bell next to it's going to let you know when the next video comes up. Thanks once again for watching, guys. Have a good one.